What's up guys, today we're actually going to be fixing the turn signal switch on the Mirage. Alright, so now, oh don't look at that, we'll get onto that later on, but for now it's this car. It's the Mirage, it's a 2000 Mirage. So this is what the car would do when you would have a broken taillight or something. You would have either a blown fuse underneath here. Just show you guys underneath there. I'll take off the thing real quick. Here's the fuse box location for the interior on a 2000 or 1997 through 2002 Mitsubishi Mirage. As you can see, here's the turn signal fuse, and here's the cigarette and all that stuff. So right now we're going to be checking out the 10 amp turn signal fuse. I did check previously, so the fuse is good on the 10 amp turn signal. It's that red one right there on the third row. This one is good, so we don't got to worry about it. This is a good time to check if your other if your other fuses work. So go ahead and use a multimeter or a test light and just probe the little exposed part there. That's a quick way to tell if your fuse is not working or something's not working. So yeah, things seems to be in good order there. When you're working with anything in the steering wheel, usually you want to disconnect the battery, but in this case the turn signal is not really integrated with the steering wheel, so you just need to, I believe, just take off these and it should slide out. Put it on. As you can see, the turn signal is on here, but it's on left only. So when I do the right turn signal here, it doesn't turn off, and when I do left, it doesn't even see. So let's go ahead and get onto it, how to take these off. So there is 3 holes here on the underside of the steering column or the steering wheel. These 3 holes have gold screws, so you're just going to take a normal flathead screwdriver, preferably one that has a ratcheting feature. Alright, so once you got those out, the screws look like these. They're all the same. Like I said, just a normal Phillips gold mounting screw. That's what connects these 2 pieces together. That's why there's a line here, as you can see. Alright, so just got it popped up, and this top part should come off like this. Take that, put it on the side there. Then this bottom part here is just going to be held in with this little adjustment, height steering wheel adjustment lever thingy. This can be put on the side real quick, but I just usually hang it on like that. Here's your turn signal switch. There's going to be 2 screws here. It's gold screws. This one and one down here, and that's what all that holds this housing together to the actual steering wheel. So just get these 2 out and then pull off the switch. I'll show you guys in a minute. So when you get these 2 screws out, this whole assembly should slide out like so. Try to get a better angle here. So that whole thing slides out like this, and then there's going to be 2 connectors for like the headlights. As you can see, the headlights and the turn signals. So we're just going to go ahead and disconnect this, and yeah, we should be able to get the switch. While you're at it, you can actually look into the locking mechanism for the when you're turning, and then it automatically disengages. You got the old one. Here is the old one here. It's a huge assembly just for this little thing, but it's good so that Mitsubishi made it to where you only have to replace this part, not take apart the whole goddamn thing. So with the old, I got the new one here. Got it from Pick and Pull from I think it was an 01. Oh no, it was probably like an 02 or 01 Mitsubishi Mirage sedan, just same thing as this. But yeah, we're just gonna go ahead, swap this on. I looked at all connectors and everything, they all look pretty the same. Yeah. Alright guys, just got the turn signal in. We're gonna put the rest of the steering console or whatever together. Just put that up like this. That'll cover this part. Alright guys, so we got it all situated here. So we're just now going to test it with the new turn signal. Feels nice and sturdy too. It's not like the other one where it's kind of like used. Alright guys, so now there you go. Right turn signal, neutral, left turn signal, neutral. Okay, headlights work, high beams. There you go. Alright guys, so that was a quick little fix on the 2000 Mirage. And we got this thing too. We'll get over that a little bit. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it was a short one, but I just wanted to do a little turn signal switch. This could go in the trash. I mean, you can keep it, but just find another one, right? So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll see you guys later. And more DSM content coming soon. Peace.